Yeah, you see what I'm on. Yeah, y'all see what I'm on, about to scan the car. So yeah, we scanning it. You know, the check engine light actually really isn't on this car, but that's why you gotta have a that's why you gotta have a scanner that can see pending codes. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2. They say the car got, kind of shakes a little bit, so we're gonna go ahead and throw some spark plugs in it and clear the codes and see what happens. Look at those. That don't look too cool. Number 2. Number 3. Spark plug number 4. So let's go ahead and throw them in. Oh yeah. So we got all 4 in. We're just gonna obviously throw our garbage away because you don't want to be like a, what I'm saying? You don't want to be no nasty nigga like that. You want, what I mean? You want to clean that to yourself. But we're gonna go ahead and call this a little job. Put 4 spark plugs in, clear the codes, and I think he'd be ready to go. Oh yeah.